Hello guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to create a simple wood material by using Substance Painter. First I am going to create a new project. So guys, this is the 3D model which we are going to use. So first of all I am going to delete this layer. Now I am going to create a new fill layer and I am going to rename this. I am going to give it a light brown color. Now I am going to create another fill layer and I am going to rename it Variation 1. Now right click and add black mask. Now I am going to add fill to this layer. As you can see in our properties list, we have properties of fill that we have used. And now we are going to choose grunge map. Here you can see bunch of different grunge maps. I am going to use grunge leak including randomness. We have to drag this to our grayscale. And I am going to turn off all these other attributes. We only need color for our second layer. And I am going to change its color. And now I am going to duplicate this layer by right clicking. Rename it. This is our second variation layer. And now I am going to change the values of grunge map here. Now I am going to change the color of this layer. I am going to give it a light brown color. So guys, we have created 3 layers. First is our base layer, second is our variation layer, and third is also our color variation layer. We can create 1 or 2 more layers to change its color, and then we can merge those layers into one. I am going to add one more layer. For that I am going to duplicate our second variation layer. This time we are going to use grunge map 005. I am going to drag this on grayscale and now we will change its properties. First I'm going to change its scale. And now I'm going to change its color. Now we have metal. I'm going to delete its first layer. And I'm going to choose the metal from Smart Materials. Here I'm going to search metal. I'm going to use cobalt damaged. So guys, as you can see, we have created a nice looking wood material by using fill. You can still change its color until you get the color that you want. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it.